Me and Gigi are walking and I hear the clunking of boots behind me. Clunk, 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 clunk. Alright, boo-boo, look. 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 Say hi. Wave at the camera. Clunking of boots and he got a skirt on. Got on them big old Purdue boots and a skirt. Don't know what that's about. Okay. Gigi wants to make a snow angel, so I'm trying to find a good place because once she makes this snow angel, it is a wrap because she will be wet and we're going back in and we are not coming back out. Okay, you gonna make the snow angel? Go ahead. Huh? Huh? No, you gotta keep your hat on. Your hair will get wet. If you're gonna do it, go ahead. That's not how you do it. You didn't really grasp the concept of it, did you? You saw Caillou do it, but look, you know what you gotta do? You're gonna have to lay down in the snow. She's thinking about that, calculating. Do I really want to lay down in this snow? What? The snow mixed up with leaves. Do you really want to make the snow angel? Huh? You gonna make snow angel? Well, go ahead so we can get this over with so we can go back in the house. You can't do it. You can't do it. Look, let me show you how to get started. This is how you get started. So funny. You got to sit down on your butt. Yep, you're going to sit down. Yep, she's finally grasping the concept. If I sit down, I'm going to get wet. And if I get wet, I'm not going to like it. Look, you going to do it? You want to do it?
Oh, again.
Again. You stepped in it. That's what I'm trying to keep you in a clear spot. Go ahead. Make your snow angel so we can go in the house. Yeah, that's a piece of snow. Lay down.
Okay, Daddy.
Now sit on your butt. Yeah, we'll get it off. Gigi, squat down like that. Squat down. Now sit like you're going to sit down.
I can sit down.
Go ahead, sit down.
I can sit down.
Yeah, you can. Sit. Now, make your snow. Lay back. Make your snow angel. Got to move your legs too. Okay, that's it. Get up, because we got to go back in now. There.
That's me.
Yeah, that's you. That's your snow angel. You happy? Look. Say, yay, I made my snow angel.
Yeah, I did it.
Okay, time to go in. Okay?
Okay.